Wetin dey worry you? Play now. We'll fight oh.
Sasa malipo ni papo hapo. Bofya nyota 150 nyota 87 alama ya reli au tembelea sportpesa.co.tz na kipenga cha mwisho kipulizwa. Kama umeshinda malipo ni papo hapo.
Alright now.
Yeah. Snap X, YBMP. I don't know. Listen, go. Don't judge me, I'm trying to get this paper by fire by any means. I'm running, I'm going, I can't turn back, I've got enemies. They want to see me bow down, but I was born ready for this. The country where I find myself is not funny, but for other countries, they confirm say Naija gets money, where the money? Our leaders do us funny, why it just come up for nowhere, just like that, go change money. No be, juju be that. Upon the suffer where you suffer, our parents, now you don't reach our tongue, go seek you for bank. For Nigerians, they no go always use their hair, not because of money, then go vote one fool to climb. And when he climb, he go start to do his own, leave us alone. At that time, I want to swear for him. Now how the swear won't take follower? Me not be follower. So use your head, no you go vote. Cause as for me, I did my house, the smoke you go. Cause I know if you stress myself to go vote. So if you say when he climb, bingo they do his own. I rather day my mama house, sorry. My papa house, sorry. I mean to say I rather go Ghana, go see my cousin. This country is falling. This one is just a warning. Can't you see many people don't they do blood money?
Alright, make I rap my own. Make I help you. Yo. Hey girls, stop it, I like it. I love you.
Dukiata, Rayuata, my life, my asset. Please guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. I beg una, I beg. Thank you.